Good morning, and it's going to be a nice day. I'm in a nice compilation, continuing from Southern Railway after the switch up, and with the CNR too. I forgot to mention on the first wheel, CNR was there. They're trying to pull their train through. It kind of just blocked the view of my trying to try to film the eastbound south train that was still luckily downtown New Westminster during the time I was down there, and then getting the westbound switched up from after that run. So it was a busy but fun time to see railway at its prime. So it was good. I was happy to see that. So lucky. One way it did turn out to be an added bonus for me to film downtown. Anyway, so mixed compilation, and then I got it starting from this morning Southern Railway too, and just before the engines were going to couple up to their train for the eastbound job as well.